This is code.org. Let's see what we're doing. Challenge puzzles. Ooh, these are the best. Our lessons designed to stretch your brain. Just do the best you can. I will. The treasure goes all the way down the stairs. Ooh, write code to help Laurel get it. Think of stairs. They repeat. So there's a hint right there. Like always, I'm just going to start putting code down. So I'm going to go south. I'm going to get the gym. I'm going to go south. I'm going to get the gym. And let's hit step just to kind of run through. Yep. And oh, that's where I ended it. So I need to go south again. And I'm going to go over this, right? We're just testing. So I'm going to lay out kind of what I would do if I had unlimited blocks. So I'd go south again, and then I go east. I know each time I move, I need to get a gym, so I'm just going to skip that part for now. Looks like east 3 times, and then we got to go south several times. And then we need to go east. And let's hit run and see. And the great thing about code is you can always be wrong. You can be wrong a lot. Oh, well, speaking of being wrong. Okay, so I went east too much there. And now I'm using 13 out of 13 blocks. Let's see. Okay, so that's a bit better. Oh, awesome. Now I get to the end. Okay, great. We're on the right track here. And like I said before, I skipped the gyms, but we know each step I need a gym. So I'm just going to start plopping in my get gym statements. Blop. Okay, so that's looking good. And now let's look for patterns, because right now I'm using 20 out of 13 blocks. Way too many. So I go south and I get a gym. South and get a gym. South and get a gym. East and get a gym. East and get a gym. South. Oh, wait a minute. Okay, south and get a gym. South and get a gym. South and get a gym. East and get a gym. Oh, and I think I need one more gym here. Alright, so this is kind of scattered, but let's take a look. First off, I go south and get a gym 3 times. 1, south, get a gym, south, get a gym. So I'm repeating myself 3 times. So this block, let me get rid of that and that, we have learned will repeat anything inside of it. So once I put something in this pink mouth, I'll now do it 3 times. South, get, south, get, south, get. Perfect. So that's going to work for that part. And now let's see. Notice here I'm again repeating myself twice. So let me grab my repeat. Let's change this to a 2. I'm going to drop in these. And now what's really cool about repeat is you can run stuff after it. Watch, I'll do something simple and just say south afterwards. Well, no, that won't really show us it's a different direction. Here, let's go west afterwards. I'm going to go south and get the gym 3 times. But once I do this 3 times, it drops below and it runs the next thing. Right? Well, we don't want to go west. We're going to want to go east 2 times and get the gym. What do we want to do after that? Well, it looks like we wanted to go south, 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 and get a gym. So what are we doing then? We're repeating ourselves. Goodbye and goodbye, right? And how many times were we? 3 times. So wow, this is a bunch of code. Let's hit run. And I always run after any big change. I run the code just to double check that I haven't made a mistake. Because it's easier to fix mistakes right away than going back and looking up 10 lines and being like, ooh. Okay, and then east get. Look, I'm repeating myself. Oh my gosh, I think we just used 4 repeat loops. Let's see how this goes. I think we're gonna do it. This is looking good. Oh, are we? Yes. Ta-da! Look at all that code. That was a whole lot of code. Awesome. Onward.